one of my favorite all-time songs. Right now I feel like a bird, caged without a key. Everyone comes to stare at me with so much joy and worry. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile I cry. They don't know what they're doing to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that I know why the caged bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, 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 spreading her wings and her song. Just let her fly, fly, fly for the whole world to see. Ooh, just let her fly, let her fly, let her fly.